The formal debut of the Galaxy S25 series, which now includes up to 4 models thanks to the Galaxy S25 Slim, is only 2 months away and might be one of the largest S-series launches ever. Since Samsung was unable to bring Exynos back for the 2025 release, their greatest hope was, as we all know, dashed. The most recent Korean news reveals just how terrible Samsung's Exynos situation has grown. Korean media reports that Samsung's 3nm chip yield is less than 20%, which is completely unacceptable for the S25 series. Indeed, according to the wildest Korean rumor, Samsung is thinking about partnering with TSMC to manufacture Exynos. If you are unaware, TSMC is Samsung's largest competitor in the chip industry. It would be disheartening for TSMC to produce a Samsung Exynos chip. The US Galaxy S25 Ultra model's most recent Geekbench 6 benchmark results are available, and they look amazing. Today, I would want to reiterate that the Snapdragon 8 Elite CPU will be included in every Galaxy S25 series handset across all markets. The initial version of One UI 7.0, the software that will be included in the S25 series, may be closer to deployment than ever before. It is one of Samsung's long-awaited software updates. The first One UI 7 beta build for the Galaxy S24 series was observed operating on the test server, according to a tweet on Twitter. This indicates that the beta launch for the Galaxy S24 series is quickly approaching. Since Samsung truly intends to deploy the majority of its intriguing new AI capabilities on the One UI 7.1 rather than the One UI 7.0, it is highly likely that we will see the One UI 7.1 version for the S25 series. That's wonderful news since it implies we're getting the best. The Snapdragon 8 Elite and the Exynos is looking as awful as it can be. Once more, Samsung wants to offer the most brilliant and colorful flagship phone range. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.